Here's what we need to do. We need to go to OBD2 direct. Let's go load in the information. Ignition on. Back the car turn off. Diagnose. Start communication. It's a light duty vehicle. We'll see. Alright, continue. We're gonna go for readiness.
I drove about 20 miles.
20 miles today?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go to readiness monitors and we'll see how it goes. We need test complete, test complete, test complete, test complete, not supported, test complete, test complete, test complete, test complete, test complete, not supported, test complete, test complete, test complete, test complete, not supported, test complete. Let's see more here. Not supported, so test complete, test complete. So this one, the good news is that all the monitors that's supposed to be completed to have it go through the smog check again, they're all done. See, that's one. Not supported, that's complete. If it says not supported, then it doesn't need to check it. If it says not supported, that's complete, that's complete, that's complete, and that's the end of it. So, good news, it's ready to go for the smog check, Hilton.
For the what check?
Ready?